MELTRIC's switch-rated plugs and receptacles are the superior choice for electrical connections in mining and other aggregate facilities. They are safe to make and break under load, so qualified workers can quickly de-energize and reconfigure or relocate portable plants. When MELTRIC's switch-rated plugs and receptacles are installed, downtime-critical motors can be replaced with plug-and-play simplicity, allowing conveyor lines or portable pumps to be up and running in a matter of minutes instead of hours. MELTRIC's switch-rated plugs and receptacles are a combination plug, receptacle, and disconnect switch in the same device. An integral switch mechanism inside the receptacle safely de-energizes the plug before an operator can withdraw it. Once the plug is removed, a safety shutter shields the operator from live parts, and the plug can be easily locked out. UL and CSA motor circuit and branch circuit disconnect switch ratings shown on the device label allow them to function as the code-required line-of-sight disconnect, so the need, space, and expense of a separate non-fused disconnect switch is eliminated. MELTRIC switch-rated plugs and receptacles protect against arc flash and help facilities comply with NFPA 70E or CSA Z462 electrical safety standards. Connection or disconnection of the plug is considered an NFPA 70E defined normal operation, so PPE is not required. Durability and performance in mining and aggregate environments is enabled by the solid silver-nickel butt-style contacts, which offer superior electrical performance that withstands wear, oxidation, and vibration, which helps provide excellent performance in dirty, dusty environments. And environmental ratings up to Type 4X are achieved automatically when the plug is mated to the receptacle. There is no need to tighten an additional ring as required by competitors to achieve rated water and dust protection. MELTRIC plug and receptacles feature durable poly or metal housings that withstand rough handling and UV exposure. Switch-rated models are available with ratings from 20 amps to 200 amps, and from 3/4 horsepower all the way up to 100 horsepower. Optional plug and receptacle features include auxiliary contacts for advanced monitoring or control. For higher amperages, MELTRIC offers the DR250 amp and the DR400 amp models. These devices utilize a similar product technology as our switch-rated line, but they are not for current interrupting. For three-phase applications up to 600 amps, PF series plugs and receptacles are available. Their unique silver pressure contact technology allows easy plug insertion and removal. All PFs are equipped with advanced safety features that prevent disconnection of the plug while it is energized. For single-pole applications, MELTRIC's CS1000 and SP series product lines offer exclusive safety and performance features at high amperages. The SP series is rated up to 500 horsepower. MELTRIC also offers a range of multi-pin devices for use in a variety of control and power applications. Robust construction, including spring-loaded butt-style contacts, makes them ideal for applications that require regular connection and disconnection. DN series multi-pins are horsepower rated and can be used for connecting multiple motors with one device. To learn more about these and other MELTRIC plugs and receptacles, visit meltric.com and download a mining and aggregate industry brochure. Read a case study, watch additional related videos, peruse the product catalog, or view contact information for your local sales representative.